How you guys doing? Listen to these birds. So peaceful up here. I hope I didn't give you guys a bad video when I burnt myself. I was really tired and having a bad day. But I'm having a good day now. We're cleaning a lot up here. We're cooking a lot. We're going to the library. There's a library in town. We are hanging out with family and just having a good old time. Oh man, I only have a little leaf left. I have another gram of this caviar inside. Put that in there. Presidential Kush. Let's get this out of here. We don't need to see those nasty cigarettes on this show. Soaked in oil. So, I don't have any shout outs this time, but if you're watching this, please comment below. Let's get a dialogue going. Let's get a dialogue going and let's get this worked out. It's done. Guys, this caviar is dank. Might even be danker than my moon rocks. Even when I put distillate in them. I can cover it in distillate. I got a gram of distillate left. Pineapple OG, indica dominant. Whoa. Take a breather. It's summer. I made it through my first Memorial Day, not being locked up in a hospital or drunk or on any other nasty drug. I believe the only thing good for you is cannabis. I know there's some medicines that are tolerated, but cannabis helps me a lot. Four minutes. Well, I got a pre-roll here. Reef is raising their prices on their flour from $5 a gram pre-roll to $6 a gram pre-roll, and I think they're going to keep going up. So be on the lookout for me going to a new dispensary. Here's someone. Here's someone talking. I wonder if they're filming a YouTube channel. Peace be unto you in the highest. Switch back to concentrate. I got my dab rig up here, but I'm saving the pineapple OG. I want to see if I can save it, not even use it this trip. Oh, put that down. Empty. Go away. Go away. Go away. Alright, peace out.